It's just a drip here and there. A few drips on the driveway, a few drips on the parking lot, a few drips on the street. Maybe it's from oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, or possibly antifreeze. When it rains, stormwater picks up pollutants such as leaks from vehicles and carries them into storm drains. These stormwater systems often discharge to Clark County streams and water bodies untreated.
With nearly 400,000 vehicles in Clark County and roughly 10% of those leaking, those small drips really add up. In fact, a study done in the Puget Sound found that over 2/3 of oil pollution in the Sound come from small vehicle leaks and drips. And if you add up all of the cars that could potentially be leaking in Clark County, that accounts for over 600,000 quarts of oil leaking into Clark County watersheds.
A single drop of used motor oil can contaminate 1,000,000 drops of water, so even a small leak can have a big impact on the health of streams.
We've done and have and continue to do a lot of restoration work. So we work on the creeks, removing invasive plants, replanting plants, but there's a whole nother component of keeping our water clean, and that has to do with stormwater runoff. So we did a storm drain mural project a couple of years ago to work on educating people around what is going from our streets and our houses and our yards into the river.
Partners of the Don't Drip and Drive pilot program are helping drivers identify and fix leaks by working with local auto shops to offer incentives. The program is similar to a Puget Sound campaign.
We're partnering through the Stormwater Partners of Southwest Washington, which includes cities of Battleground, Camas, Washougal, City of Vancouver, in addition to Port of Vancouver, nonprofits like the Watershed Alliance.
To help drivers find out if their vehicle has a drip, free leak check events will be held throughout the county by the Watershed Alliance of Southwest Washington.
We partnered with the Port of Vancouver to do an event there for their employees and tenants. Then we'll be doing one at Battleground City Hall for the employees. We're working on doing one at a condo association. So there'll be different types of events, and we're exploring the different ways and what is going to work best, and then we'll continue from there.
People can visit www.fixthoseleaks.org to find leak check events, which will be put on by the Watershed Alliance. They can also go to any of our participating auto repair shops and get a free visual leak inspection, as well as 10% off leak repairs up to $50.
Finding and fixing leaks early can also prevent untimely breakdowns and avoid costly repairs further down the road.
Paying for something up front or assessing something up front and addressing that problem up front can save you a substantial amount of money later on in the life of that vehicle. If they come into us, we're going to do a free comprehensive 21-point inspection underneath their car, check for any oil leaks, see what's dripping, give them an assessment as how to fix that and repair it, give them that coupon opportunity, 10% up to $50 off that repair.
Clark County is really excited about participating in Don't Drip and Drive because it has so many benefits. On the one hand, you're helping car owners maintain their vehicles. On the other hand, you also have these same people that are doing a benefit to our local waterways by preventing pollution.
So another reason that we're doing this program is people cannot always, some people are not able to go out and physically plant trees or remove invasives. This is a way that people can look at their impacts and an on-the-ground action that they can make every day. So they can look at getting their car fixed, and by doing that, they're making an effort every single day they're driving their car that's not leaking to help keep our waters clean.
For more information about Don't Drip and Drive, visit fixthoseleaks.org.